wheels on the ground. Hey. Let's get these wheels in motion. Turn off the wheel, cut the power. This lifetime feels like an hour. Touchdown, touchdown, wheels on the ground. Can only be one
Hi,
place at
welcome
a
to the
time.
Gypsy Java travel vlogs. Amazing! Yes, it is. Quite the view, right? Traveling along US Highway 98 along the Gulf Coast of Florida. Just a gorgeous view, and wow, what a beautiful day I had riding around. Look at that. Isn't that something? Just eye candy, right? Mind-boggling. Around every bend there was something new and wonderful coming up. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you for joining me on this ride. I love having you along. Hope you're enjoying the music. Don't forget to take a minute, take a deep breath and breathe and relax. Let your thoughts run wild or quiet your mind. I do my best thinking on my bike and most of my relaxing. Look at this. It's mesmerizing, isn't it? Absolute eye candy. Take a minute and do some thinking. There you go. Be at peace. Be one with the road. Be one with your bike. Be one with Mother Nature. Travel into the wind. Just fabulous. I'll let you get back to the music. Enjoy the sounds. Enjoy my ride, and thank you for joining me once again on the Gypsy Java travel vlogs. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you on YouTube.
Like this game is so bittersweet. I feel alive, it's so hard to breathe. Yet somehow I know your history. Oh, come what may, I'm ready. Picture frames, lavender and pain, they all live here within this romance. I get the chance to stop the run and be the lucky one. Some dusty dreams, and we seem to find common ground. Guess everyone's got their own sound. I never cared much about fitting in, what's right or a sin. But as you stand before me, I give in. Picture frames, lavender and pain, romance. I get the chance to stop the run and be the lucky one. Picture frames, lavender and pain, they all live here within this romance. I get the chance to stop the run and be the lucky one. Just